Hey, what's up guys, Android Tech Review here, and this is me Ajay, and in this video guys I'm going to tell you about why you should now use Facebook auto likes. So stay tuned guys. Well, the basic question guys, why actually you post status on Facebook, you post videos and do update your status? Because of like guys. I know guys, you actually need likes, but if that happen guys, sometimes you use guys auto likes. So guys, why should not guys use auto likes? In this video I'm going to tell you about why you should not auto likes on your profile. So stay tuned guys. In this video I'm covering all that thing that happened with after using the auto likes. Guys, one of the thing happened with me after using the auto likes. First, I actually the back time I 2 years ago guys, I used back 2 years ago guys, I used Facebook auto like. On that time I have no idea about what exactly auto likes works and what is the bad effect with the auto likes. As recent I actually used that auto likes, and actually you can't believe guys, I'm getting tons of like 100 likes, 200 likes without without liking the status guys. I get 100 to 200 likes in my Facebook photo status and videos guys, but exactly I didn't know what happened after doing this auto likes guys. So after doing this guys, actually I understand why should I not use this likes. Most of my friends actually complaining why this photo you like guys, exactly what kind of actually bad photos actually liked by me, and exactly I'm also sure this photo actually liked by me, but exactly I don't know when I like those photos. Then I understand guys exactly what happened to me guys. When I use auto like services guys, then after using the auto like services, whenever I get the likes, I also gives likes to them. After using guys auto likes, my account was 7 times guys suspended, 3 times suspended guys. Thereafter one time came guys, my account exactly banned, means suspended for forever guys. Thereafter I actually understand what happened after using the Facebook auto like. Guys, if you also use Facebook auto likes, then please comment. Hey, if you like this video, please do thumbs up, do comment and do share with your friends, and I'm meeting you in the next video. For this time guys, bye bye.